Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we are going to solve questions 11 to question 15 from scale chapter in Keith Williams General Navigation book. So let's start with question number 11. The total length of 53-degree parallel of latitude is 133 centimeter. What is the approximate scale at latitude 30 degree south? Okay, so the total length of 53 degree is such at latitude 53 degree north, chart distance is 133 centimeter. Latitude for another latitude, that is 30 degrees south, the chart distance is going to remain the same, 133 centimeter. Now in a Mercator chart, let's say this is your Mercator chart. Okay, this is your prime meridian. This is latitude 53 degree north. This is another latitude 30 degrees south. Now the chart distance for 53 degree north, for 53 degree north, entire parallel of latitude 360 degree will remain the same on this chart, 133 centimeter. If you go to 30 degree south latitude, again the chart distance will remain the same, 133 centimeter. Why? Because on a Mercator chart, the meridians are straight line. Okay, meridians of longitude are straight lines. There is no convergence, and that's why there will be constant spacing between any two meridian, whether you are at 53 degree north latitude, 30 degree south latitude, or any other latitude. That's why chart distance is the same at both latitudes, but earth distance will be different. Why? Because on the real earth we have convergence between meridians. That's why earth distance will be different. Now we have to find out scale at 30 degrees south latitude. Scale at 30 degrees south latitude. To know scale, we must know both the values of chart distance and earth distance. Chart distance we already know. Earth distance we can find out by using Rumline formula. Now we have to find out earth distance equals to Rumline distance d long in minutes into cos 60 into cos latitude. Now here they are talking about the total length of 53 degree north latitude and 30 degrees south. Total length means the full 360 degree latitude. So d long will be equal to 360 degree into 60 into cos 30. So 360 into 60 into cos 30 will be equal to 18,706 nautical miles. Fine. So scale will be equal to chart distance 133 centimeter, earth distance 18,706 nautical miles. So 133 centimeter divided by 18,706 into 1852 meter into 100 centimeter. So 133 centimeter divided by 18,706 into 1852 into 100. 3,464,351,200 centimeter. So divide numerator and denominator by 133. This gives you 1 divided by 26047 753. 26047 753. That is approximately 100,000. 2 crores 60 lakhs something. So the closest option here will be option alpha. 26,000. Yeah, option alpha. the closest option. So this is how you do this sum. Just remember this fact that the chart distance for 53 north will be equal to chart distance for 30 degrees south latitude or any other latitude for a Mercator chart. Next, a straight line on a chart is 4.89 centimeter long and earth distance is 185. So chart distance is 4.89 centimeter. Earth distance is 185 nautical miles. So scale will be equal to chart distance upon earth distance 4.89 centimeter divided by 185 nautical miles. The scale will be equal to 4.89 divided by 185 into 1852 into 100 centimeter. So 185 into 1852 into 100 is 34,262 00. Now dividing numerator and denominator by 4.89 to bring 1 in the numerator, you should get an answer such as 7006544. 70 lakhs something. So the closest option here will be option delta. Okay. Next, question number 13. On a direct Mercator chart at 15 degrees south, a certain length represents a distance of 120 miles. The same length on the chart will represent on the earth at a different latitude how much earth distance. So we will use the direct formula, that is distance at the first latitude divided by distance at second latitude equals to cos first latitude cos second latitude. Now the story behind this formula I have explained in a very first video in which I have derived this formula and showed how this formula uh, is there. Okay, so do watch that video if you haven't watched that video. In the first video itself I have explained why we are using this formula, how this formula has been derived. But now I won't explain it again because it's a long process. Directly we will substitute the values and move on. So here A is 10 degrees south latitude, point B is 10 degree north latitude. Next, earth distance at A is 120 miles. Earth distance at B is unknown to us. Okay, so let's substitute the values. Distance at A is 120. Distance at B to be figured out, cos A, cos 15, cos B is cos 10. Okay, so therefore x will be equal to cos 10 divided by cos 15, cross multiply, into 120. Now cos 10 is, so cos 10 divided by cos 15 is 1.019 something into 120. The final answer will be 122 nautical miles. So earth distance at 10 degree north latitude will be equal to 122 nautical miles. So option A is the correct answer, 122.3. Next, question 14. On a direct Mercator chart at a particular latitude of 45 north, so let's say A is 45 north, certain length represents a distance of 90 nautical miles. So distance A is 90. The same length on the chart will represent on the earth at latitude 30 north, distance how much? So again, use the previous formula, which is distance A upon distance B is cos A upon cos B. Now distance A is 90, distance B is unknown, cos A is cos 45, cos B is cos 30. Distance B will be equal to cos 30 divided by cos 45 into 90. Now cos 30 divided by cos 45 is 1.22 into 90 is equal to 110 nautical miles. So the correct option will be 110, option Bravo. Next, question number 15. On a chart, the distance along a meridian between two latitudes is 6 centimeter. So chart distance is 6 centimeter. Then there is a meridian. There are 2 points located on the same meridian. Point A is 45 north. Point B is 46 north. So what will be the earth distance here? In this case, earth distance will be nothing but great circle distance. When 2 points are located on the same meridian, there is a great circle track joining them. If two points are located on two different meridians, same latitude, then that will be a rhumb track. But in this case, it will be a great circle distance. So d lat into 60, 1 degree into 60 is 60 nautical miles. So earth distance is 60 nautical mile. Scale will be chart distance upon earth distance. 6 centimeter divided by 60 nautical miles. So 60 into 1852 meter into 100 centimeter. So 6 centimeter divided by 60 into 1852 into 100. So now divide numerator and denominator by 6, you get 185,200. So final answer will be the answer closest to this, that is option A. 1850 18850,000. Yes. So this is how you do the sum. Simple. With this, we will stop here. I will do the next 5 questions in the next video lecture. I hope you have understood all the 5 questions I solved in this video lecture. Also suggest to you all that you practice the previous 10 questions I have done in different 2 video lectures. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't and share this video with your friends. All the best. See you in the next video lecture.